Hello. So I was trying to find a camera so I can see my dog while I'm not on my house, and I did it. I found it, and it's very affordable, and it's pretty usable for everything. Like, it's not just a pet cam, you can use it to a monitor for your baby or to just see what is happening on your house while you are in there. So it have Wi-Fi connect, cloud service, so if you don't want to use the CD card that also have that, you can just download the app and have the cloud service. Night vision, motion detection, and here are the functions like the camera have or for what you can use it. So let's see what is inside here. Okay, so let's see what we have. Like I say, here are the functions, and then here on the back it say what the package includes, and that's what we're gonna check right now, what is inside the box. Okay, so at first the instructions in English and in Spanish, so you can see what it have here, and it have the like little tips to download the app, to see more instructions, to set up the camera with the Wi-Fi and all that. So you can check this. Okay. This is the camera. So this is the camera. You can see how it is on the front, and on the back is the switch that is off and on, the reset button, the SD card, and the USB port. So let's keep checking out. Okay, here we are, the USB cable, some screws so we can put it on the wall, and the base of the camera. So you can put it like this. You can move it however you wanna use your camera. And of course the instructions. Let's try to put the camera. That's it. Pretty easy actually. And we're ready to see how the image is.